At the chocolate factory.
It looks just as I imagined it would.
Yep, it does.
It is popping.
It is popping. It closes in 50 minutes, so. Well, if that lady wasn't the sweetest lady grandma in my life.
No.
She was the best.
I just want to take everyone home with me.
Pretty much every chocolate we looked at, she's like, oh, you gotta get one of those. You gotta get one of those. She was a good salesperson. She was a good salesperson.
Really good sales. I just loved how everyone was so friendly.
It was great,
and
yeah.
I just wanted a little bit of everything, and Linda was all for, was it Linda?
Yeah, it was Linda.
Linda was
She was
all
so
about
great. She was just,
separated things.
yeah, she really helped convince you that you needed that last piece of chocolate that you were looking at. Like, anything I looked at, she's like, oh, you gotta get one of those. I'm like, okay, then we'll do one of those then.
She was on my side. She was on my side.
Yeah.
We got fudge.
About $25 worth, so that's probably,
and lots of different kinds of candy.
that's probably about £1.25 if I had to do some quick math. I'm really happy we stopped, honestly.
Me too.
If we eat all that, we'll be sick, but I'll be sick. You'll be fine. And so now we're gonna head back to the Airbnb.
We do a couple clusters, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of this, that. Get in the back.
Okay. This is the sea salt one. Dark chocolate caramel sea salt.
Mine is a white chocolate pecan cluster.
I could eat that whole thing, so I'm just gonna put it back and, you know, just try a little bit of a bite of a peanut butter one now.
Turtle.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Can we go back in and get ice cream?
What was that, babe?
What?
Oh,
what did you say?
We already started moving, so I guess we can't get ice cream.
Oh, so you did hear me.
I didn't hear you. That was a good stop. Oh, quick story. Guess who recommended that place?
Mr. Lowe himself.
Our buddy Tim Lowe. Another win for him. I'm a poet and I didn't know it. Okay, bye. Excuse us.
I'm gonna turn the car on first.